Hi, it's Barbara from Make My Blog Better. In this video tutorial, I'm going to go over how to add a scroll to top button to your WordPress website. There are a few requirements you need before we begin this tutorial. Make sure you have a child theme installed, have an image or graphic ready for your button, and have admin access to your website. This tutorial is only 3 simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Upload your button image. I highly recommend you upload an SVG graphic for your button. This will allow you to keep the file size small and give you better options to scale the image if needed. Once you upload the image, copy the direct URL link. You will need this link in step 3. Step 2. Add CSS code. Next, you will copy and paste the following CSS code into your website. The easiest place to paste this code is inside the Appearance, Customize, Additional CSS panel. Click the Publish button and then you're done with step 2. Step 3. Add JavaScript and HTML code. Now you will copy and paste the JavaScript and HTML code into your theme's footer file. You can find your theme's footer file by going to Appearance, Theme Editor. Click the theme folder file from the right panel. You will paste the code directly above the closing body tag. Make sure you replace the text image URL here with your custom graphic URL from step 1. Then you just click the blue Update File button and you're done. You should now see your scroll to top button appear when you scroll down the website. Here are some bonus tips. If you need to adjust the scaling of your graphic, adjust the height 1em inside of the scroll to top image class. If you want to control the speed of the scroll when the user clicks the button, adjust your JavaScript code. You will change the 800 value to a lower or higher number. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.